The regular 2-foot hop. This is often the first move that people new to jump and rope learn because it is good in terms of balance and stability. Because as you can see here, both feet land on the ground at the same time and both feet push off the ground using an equal amount of force. And because both feet land on the ground at the same time, your body weight is evenly distributed. So it's good for balance and stability. And let's contrast this now with a basic boxer skip. Notice here, my right foot is in the rear. It's landing on the ground first. It's doing the majority of the work. I've swapped feet now. My left foot is landing on the ground first. It is absorbing most of the impact. The lead foot, the right foot in this case, is just gently tapping the ground. So with the basic boxer skip, the foot in the rear tends to land on the ground first. It supports most of the body weight, while the other foot just gently taps the ground and adds some balance and stability. When you're doing the basic boxer skip, you shift your body weight to the foot that is in the rear, which helps that foot land on the ground first. And as we can see here, the two moves are being contrasted side by side. So you could watch this again in even slower motion. We have the basic boxer skip and the regular 2-foot hop. Thanks for watching.